Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2017 Chevy Silverado LT Double Cab 4-Wheel Drive, stock number Z6667A. 20,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Silverado brand new, graphite metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seat 6, cloth interior. Very clean inside and out. Hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. And rear defrost for excellent visibility. Locking tailgate, backup camera, trailering package. And the backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Easy lift tailgate, drop-in bed liner for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, integrated trailer brake control, large easy to read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera displays. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats. Cup holders and storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices up and out of the way for middle passenger, with even more storage below. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's material inside. Under the hood, the Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.